Your bitch, she the racks and she do a handstand. Nigga, you broke, you don't got no bands, man. Hop at the coupe, I'm dropping my pants, man. You're trying to be something you not.
Today I'm doing the Chugging Sprite without burping challenge. I have a Sprite Zero from my fridge, so let's do it. Okay, so bottoms up. I just lost. Okay, I'm gonna keep trying it. I'm gonna count my burps. So that's like 5. Okay, let's keep going. It hurts my throat. I can't. I lose. I lost the Sprite challenge and my throat hurts now, so don't do it.